So as you see this room, well, you haven't been here maybe before in this room, but I can tell you that this room used to be like with old equipment. All the old equipment has gone out, and this is the new equipment that we have bought in here. Like also those pumps, which are, that's a pump over there outside which we filmed, and this is also a pump.
Yeah, no,
but
these
this
new pumps are much more delicate. They treat the fruit.
They're more delicate, they're faster, they're better, but the main thing is that they are more delicate.
Yeah. Yeah, because you don't want to push the fruit too much,
Absolutely
or you can really
not.
begin to
Absolutely
release some of the
not.
harsh tannins and some of the bitter flavors. So if you're really gentle with the juice, and we have to use a lot of pumps in the winery as it is, you really want to be as delicate and gentle as
That's
you can.
correct. That's absolutely correct, and that's what we are trying to do. That's what we're doing. As you see, a lot of people are working here to tune, to make the fine tuning, so that the quality comes out the way that we would like it to be.
How long have the wines been made in this facility? How many years have you been here?
About 30 years ago. Before that it was in Jerusalem, Mea Shearim, Shchunat Bet Israel. Before that it was in the Old City. It was founded in the Old City in
So we spoke a little bit
Gai.
earlier about how the winery has been around since 1848. No, I didn't misspeak. I didn't mean 1948. I did mean 1848.
100 years before the State of Israel.
100 years before the foundation of the State of Israel.
correct.
And when it was founded in the old city of Jerusalem.
In the Old City of Jerusalem, yes.
And over the years, over the last 160 years or so, it's moved from the old city into Mea Shearim, and then
correct.
from Mea Shearim out to the facility that we're in today.
That's correct, yes.
In Mishot Adumim.
Mishor Edumim.
Mishor Edumim.
That's correct.
Okay, great. Let's go see some more.
Okay. We are getting in now to a small barrel room where we have white wines. This is where we actually both ferment Chardonnay grapes. We make the fermentation inside the barrel. Those barrels come from Burgundy, 400 liters each. And at the moment we have Chardonnay inside, Chenin Blanc inside, Chenin Blanc dry, and also a late harvest Chenin Blanc, which is going to be marketed later this year. Once again, each winemaker has its own preparations. Some would make white wine in small oak wood barrels, some in some larger. We choose to make it in 400 liter barrels, that the oak wood would not control the wine. We want to give the oak wood in the back, in the aftertaste. We want people to taste wine, grapes that have turned into wine. This is what we think, this is what we really believe in. We don't want the wine to be covered up with oak. The oak should come in the back, and this is why we choose those oak wood barrels from a specific area in France. They come from Burgundy, like I said, and they are 400 liter olds, and also light toasting, not too heavy toasting.
I have one more question, and I really want to taste this wine already, but I do have one more question. I noticed that the Cabernet Sauvignon was 2007, and the Chenin Blanc is 2009. Does Zion Winery make wine during a Shnat Shemitah? Do you make wine from Shemitah?
No.
No wines whatsoever are made during the Shemitah wines.
No.
So you had a nice vacation in 2008, huh?
Sure stories, yeah.
You had a good sabbatical year. Good, terrific. So I think without any other ado, I'd like to thank you again very much. And
thank you for visiting us.
L'chaim. Thank you for having us.
Visiting us, thank you.